Good job, Life with KG. I'm back with another vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe and like. But right now, we're gonna go install this guy's exhaust. So it's E92M3. We're gonna be installing the Meisterschaft GT2 exhaust today. I don't know if it's open. It's not open. But yeah, so he just picked up a GT2 exhaust and we're about to go install it. And I think he's removing the secondary cats. So right now his exhaust setup is it's a OEM muffler mod. So this will not be quiet anymore. Right now he's gonna see if he can back up because he recently lowered the car and he put a GT4 lip. So he's gonna make sure he clears his driveway because this driveway is giving me anxiety. It's too small. So I'm assuming, okay, let's see. Slowly, oh. Gotta be careful with that GT4 lip. Yeah, didn't crack. Oh yeah, it did. Damn, so Frozen White Edition E92M3. Wants to try going in because this is his first time doing this. So you gotta go slow. You're good? Start turning. Oh my God, it's so close. It like barely tapped it. You're good, you're good. You're good. Oh my. Still smells like new in this car. It's got the white stitching because it's a Frozen White Edition. You can see the stitching here and here. You excited?
Yeah.
Meisterschaft. Damn. Look at those carbon tips. Let me see if I can focus on it. Meisterschaft. I love this exhaust. It's got the, oh yeah, it's got the under tray for it, the heat shield. That's sick, bro. Guys, so we just got to the muffler shop. Now he's gonna go inside, put this baby on. Oh man, scared for your lip, bro. Oh man. Damn. Yeah, you're good.
It'll probably be the same body, maybe. I will see.
How do you order?
We're doing secondary DD.
Secondary cat delete and then the exhaust.
Yeah.
They're removing this box and putting the Meisterschaft. Oop, stock mufflers out. Just drag it like that. Imagine. Nice, bro. Oof. Looks good. Yeah, bro. Sick. Good, dude. Yeah?
Have I seen things?
Dang. Alright, so right now we're gonna hear how it sounds just to Axleback. And then you'll see if he likes the secondary cat delete. Put it in M mode. gonna take off the secondary cats. We're gonna delete the secondaries because the muffler just wasn't loud enough. So secondary cat delete, and then eventually he'll move the primaries, but we're gonna have the same exact setup. So secondary cats have been deleted. He's got the Meister shaft and we want to hear it now. Sounds good. Guys, comment down below. What do you guys think of the sound of the Meisterschaft GT2 paired with the secondary cat delete? You can go this way. That is crazy, dude. You can hear it on idle too.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
You like it? Yeah. The way it sounds? That's it. Now we're gonna go see Ares because Ares bought some competition wheels and he's getting them installed. They're like a hyper silver color. I'm gonna go visit him right now at the tire shop and see how the process is going installed. But what do you guys think about this sound? Wow. Comment down below. What do you guys think about the sound of the exhaust? The competition wheels.
Advertising best machines.
Wow.
Best
Let me
machines
see.
in LA.
Wow. Nice, dude. Finally got comp wheels, huh?
Yep.
Sick, bro.
Can't wait.
Clean your calipers, bro. They're looking kind of dirty. Finally doing some work. Cleaning up his car. Damn, freshies. I like this color silver a lot. The wheels they got here, well, different style. Man. They're so much to choose from. Ooh. Brown. Holy crap, there's so many rims. Damn, look at this color. These almost look like comp wheels. Versus wheels. I've never heard of Versus before. Look, another style like comp wheels, kind of. Dang. There's a lot of wheels in here. And
Oh my God, I left it found my
this is like a really expensive machine. They're supposed to like never scratch your wheel. It's called the Hunter machine. Ooh, they're gonna look so nice, bro. Wow.
Okay, Rachel, do your video. We gotta run.
Wow, puto. Looking flossy, bro. These look really good. What do you guys think? To throw a spacer back here because he's got a gap. So I don't know what side. What side are you gonna put back here?
Same ones.
Look of the wheels. Comp wheels. M359. Damn. A lot of stuff. A lot of people did mods today. Javi, you.
Bro, look at the spacers.
Looks sick, dude.
Sick, bro.
Congrats.